Can you activate fingerprint in iPhone? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, many iPhone users ask if you can activate fingerprint recognition on iPhone, but the simple answer is no. So, unfortunately, iPhone can only feature Face ID and fingerprint is still not available. So, uh, while Face ID is impressive, some users might still prefer the familiarity of Touch ID. It really comes down to personal preference. However, there is no option for fingerprint just yet. So you might need to wait for more updates. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.